Earn lots of money by just playing this addicting game. Just stay tuned and don't skip the video.
Welcome sa aming channel. This is R.
And this is M.
Welcome to R.M.diy YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo na mapagkakakitaan habang ginagamit mo ang oras mo sa pagse-cellphone at internet, andito ang aming channel para kayo ay turuan na siguradong kikita kayo ng pera.
And guys, every video, nagpapag-giveaway kami ng cash sa Gcash.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? I-subscribe mo na at hit notification bell para updated kayo sa mga video na ina-upload namin.
Congratulations to all the winners, please notify me on the comment to claim your prize. Okay guys? For our new mechanics? Number 1. All you need to do is to comment down below the hidden word, space, hashtag r.m.diy. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Number 2. Go to our Facebook page and find this thumbnail and share it publicly. The one with most number of share of their post wins. Now that you're in our Facebook, don't forget to like our page. The game is Space War. You can search it to Play Store. Just install it. After installing, let's open the app. All you have to do is follow the instructions. Just drag the plane to dodge and kill the enemies. After that you will earn coins. You can use that coins to buy ship. And after that you can merge a same level ship to get a higher level ship. Click lucky prize to double the diamonds. Click the checklist icon to get your daily diamonds. Click free button. You can earn more coins, energy and diamonds on their turntable. Wow! I got free 100 diamonds. They have daily tasks to get more diamonds. They have a referral program here, but it's optional. In here you can copy your code and paste it in the comment section. And if you want to get a free 300 diamonds and 300 coins, you have to input code KMCLA9. Instantly you will get your free diamonds and coins. Secret word: space. This is the best feature of this application. You can get coins after you go offline. Okay, let's play some more. Okay, after you collect diamonds. To withdraw you just have to log in with your Facebook or Google account. Next, just find the withdrawal link in the description and open it to the browser. And then log in with the Facebook or Google account you used in the game. Then click Space War. In here you can see your diamond balance. And this are the list of dollars you can withdraw and the corresponding diamonds.